The Mercury here is the only vehicle I've ever worked on with a breezeway window. To be honest, we don't really exactly know what we're doing. However, a few days ago, Dad and I took the back seat out, completely stripped everything down, changed the motor, figured out where it plugged in, tested it. It wasn't the motor at all. So next logical step, and after some more research, this failure point typically is this little relay in the firewall. So we went ahead and ordered another one. Hopefully this is the problem. If it's not this, it's something in the dash, and we've got to dig deeper, but we're going to see. One of the coolest things about these old Mercuries and some Lincolns from the era is this called a breezeway window. You're going down the highway and this goes all the way down level with the trunk lid almost, and not one person who grew up with one of these in the family did not nearly fall out on the trunk lid when they were a kid. Unfortunately for us, ours isn't going down at the moment. Dad and I took the assembly apart back here behind the seat and we changed the motor out and tested the motor. It will go up and down, so that means our problem is either under the hood or under the dash. So we've got a new relay. We got to try to figure out what's going on with this and get her going. eBay to the rescue again, this time from John Brewer, Brewer Classic Lincoln in Denver, Colorado. This relay is used on a lot of different Ford products for power windows and convertible tops. Is the end open? Well, I got enough tape on there for 3 boxes.
Look at this.
A magnet? Nah, just a business card. Oh, a nice business card. Looks remarkably like the old one.
$69.
Yeah.
77 bucks.
If I was ambitious, I'd pop the top off of it and swap them over, but I am not that ambitious to go prying on an $82 new part and manage to screw it up.
I don't think I want to mess with that.
You're just tense because the puppy ate the coffee table. Those lugs are not exactly the same size. Rich, get off me. Look at flies. Oh, I killed a fly. Yep, on my leg. I hate flies. Not a more useless creature ever devised than the house fly. Yeah. right here. I got to take the glass wire out of it.
And
Yes, it had the nut on the bottom of it, but it's also threaded, so don't lose it. The old one didn't have a nut. The new one, for some reason, had a nut. But the base, the lug's also threaded. So I can't figure why they had that nut on there.
you don't want to put it on this one?
Well, you still got the old one?
You don't have a nut.
No, it doesn't have a nut. But I don't know how to even tighten that nut on there. I mean, I can put it on, but I want to see if this fixes the window first.
I hope you guys have a fan going.
Yep.
There's no threads to catch, but at least on this one.
Yeah, I don't know why they did that.
She wasn't happy with this one.
Okay, so if you guys are still watching, Gracie the Aussie puppy tried to eat the coffee table.
Huh?
I'm taping.
Oh.
Yeah. Try it, Dad.
Me too.
Just turn the key on to accessory and
Which one is it?
one that says rear window. One of them goes up and down. Hey, look at that.
Is it up?
Yeah. Beautiful. All right.
$7.
Well, I'll call that one a win. Well, that took care of it. Thankfully, happily, that little relay was the problem. Not too bad of a job, just a quick fix. And our breezeway window is working again after 25 years. Literally, we haven't been able to put the window down in over 2 decades, and now we're back up. Thankfully, things are reproduced now, and we're back in business. So, good day, and we'll get on to whatever we can get into next.